Narrator, excited tone. Elon Musk once claimed that the Tesla Cybertruck could act like a boat and cross rivers. Yes, you heard that right. A truck that can float and navigate through water like a boat. But what happens when you actually take him seriously and put this claim to the test? Well, it's not a happy ending for one Cybertruck owner who decided to take the plunge. Let's dive in and explore the reality behind these bold claims. Welcome back to Channel Name. If you love crazy car news and real-world tests gone wrong, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We bring you the most thrilling and sometimes hilarious car stories. Part 1. The Big Claims Narrator, Casual Tone. Remember the famous Cybertruck unveiling back in 2019? It was a spectacle that left everyone talking. Elon Musk promised an indestructible truck with armor glass and bulletproof doors, setting high expectations. Well, that didn't go as planned. The demonstration took an unexpected turn. The armor glass shattered on stage when a steel ball was thrown at it, much to the shock of the audience. A moment that quickly became internet history, spawning countless memes and reactions. Narrator. Since then, Musk has made even bolder claims, including that the Cybertruck would be waterproof enough to float across rivers, lakes, and even small seas. Can you imagine that? Yes, you heard that right. A 6,000-pound truck floating like a boat. It sounds almost too good to be true. Part 2. Reality versus expectations. Narrator. Now let's get real. Physics doesn't lie, and it has some harsh truths for us. Any vehicle that weighs over 6,500 pounds and doesn't have massive flotation tanks is much more likely to sink like an anchor, not float like a boat. It's simple science. Narrator. Skeptical tone. Yet Elon Musk insisted that the Cybertruck's wade mode would allow it to cross bodies of water by raising its suspension and pressurizing the battery pack. Sounds intriguing, right? Part 3. What is wade mode? Narrator. Inquisitive tone. Wade mode is Tesla's answer for water crossings. But what exactly does it do? It raises the ride height and pressurizes the battery to protect it against water ingress. Sounds futuristic, right? Almost like something out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the catch. Tesla's warranty doesn't cover water damage caused by river crossings. So if you try it, you're on your own. Narrator. So, while Musk's claims might sound exciting and adventurous, if you try it yourself, you could end up with a broken truck and a voided warranty. Not exactly the adventure you were hoping for. Part 4. The Truckee Incident. Narrator. Dramatic tone. But there's always one brave soul willing to test the limits, to see if the claims hold water. In Truckee, California, one Cybertruck owner decided to trust Musk's words and put the Cybertruck to the ultimate test. He switched on wade mode, drove into a body of water, and ended up stuck deep in the mud, not quite the floating experience he was promised. Narrator. Photos shared by the California Highway Patrol show the Cybertruck, stranded and defeated, needing assistance to be pulled out. It was a sight to behold. Instead of cruising like a boat, the Cybertruck acted more like an anchor, a heavy, immovable anchor. Part 5. Tesla's armor promises versus reality. Narrator. Reflective tone. This isn't the first time Tesla's bold claims have fallen a little short. We've seen it before. The Cybertruck doors, touted as bulletproof, did survive Glock 9mm rounds, 12-gauge shotgun blasts, and even Tommy gun bullets. Impressive, right? But when tested against heavier weapons like a 17mm round, an AR-15, or a .50 cal sniper rifle, the truck couldn't handle it. The limits were clear. Narrator. So, while it's tough, it's not invincible, just like its boating dreams. There are boundaries to what it can withstand. Part 6. The Bigger Picture. Narrator. Reflective tone. At the end of the day, Elon Musk's visionary ideas push the industry forward. His boldness is what drives innovation. Without daring claims, maybe we wouldn't have breakthroughs at all. It's the risk-takers who change the world. But when it comes to believing everything you hear, maybe it's smart to proceed with caution, and a life jacket, just in case. Narrator. Smiling tone. Because no matter how cool your Cybertruck looks, it's not going to replace your boat anytime soon. Keep your expectations grounded. Narrator. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the floating Cybertruck myth. What do you think? Should Tesla make a real cyberboat next? Imagine the possibilities. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more crazy car stories. We love hearing from you.